The reason why I became a mental health nurse, because I had a genuine interest and a passion in working with people at their most fragile. Mental illness is often associated with stigma. Often, people who experience mental health problems also have a sense of that self-stigma. So for me, it was really important to work with people to help improve their self-confidence, to help improve their self-value, and support them to become a valued member of society. As part of your degree, you will study a variety of topics that are essential towards becoming a nurse registrant. These topics will include exploring legal and ethical frameworks that are essential towards informing decision-making in practice. You will also explore interpersonal theory and communication skills to enable you to work effectively and collaboratively with people who have the lived experience, but also with their families and significant others. You will also look at how you can develop collegial relationships, because working effectively as part of a multidisciplinary team is a core skill to develop. You will study in blocks of theory and practice. Theory will include classroom learning, online learning, self-directed study, and simulation learning. The simulation learning will help you develop and hone in on the skills required to take forward into clinical practice. 50% of your study will then be in clinical practice. This ranges from community-based settings and hospital-based settings. The method of this learning will enable you to develop the skills and confidence that are required to become a nurse registrant.